I want to talk for 90 seconds about the Men's Shed Cymru and the Men's Shed movement. The original concept of men's sheds was established in Australia 11 years ago as part of a health infrastructure that supports programs to improve men's health and well-being and to assist in tackling social isolation. Now, we're all familiar with the saying, from little acorns grow mighty oaks. Well, the squirrel's nest in my constituency of Ogmore, Tondy to be more precise, is home to the first working men's shed in Wales. And since its inception in 2002, I've had great pleasure, and I know other Assembly members, some of whom are here today, have had in visiting them on a number of occasions. There are currently 34 men's sheds in Wales, including my Steg shed quarters. Whilst they tend to be self-governed, self-supporting and sustainable, and they have access via their official website to expert advice on writing a constitution, funding ideas, understanding health and safety, and help with insurance. Robert, who is involved with the Squirrel's Nest, is joint chair of the Association of Men's Sheds Cymru and is in the process of setting up the Men's Shed Cymru Cooperative as the main association in Wales with the support of the Wales Cooperative Centre, enabling it to become a community benefit society and cooperative. It'll be yet another first for Ogmore and for Wales, and Robert will be a founder director of the new association. No two sheds are the same. They're as individual and diverse as the original back garden shed, a place where men can escape from the stresses of everyday life, to escape to pursue their interests. Storytellers, crafters, making music, amateur radio enthusiasts can all be accommodated. But crucially, it's a place where isolation and loneliness are addressed in a friendly environment and where men can chat and enjoy each other's company.